Hello, Wanda van Bogerijen here. I don't know if you can hear me very well, but I'm outside and I'm going to try and show you some fireworks that are here right now happening. Oh, there was a big one. Let's see if we can do that. There we go. Look at the fireworks. And it's not even midnight yet, so that was done. And I know it's dark. There it goes again. Oh yes, there it is. So it's like, it was, what time? It's not even 9 p.m. yet, so that's Holland with their fireworks. So, oh, there it goes again. That is pretty, but well, my dogs don't like it, so I hope it's over soon. That was it. Let's see. Oh, there's some more fireworks. A little bit further away. Happily. But well, if you can see, no, you can't see, but well, it's very clouded and misty, and the fumes are staying in the air, and you can smell the sulfur. So, and every year it's the same thing. Well, there's a little bit of fireworks there. Not much. Oh, there it is. That was a very hard, loud bang. Very hard. Where does that come from? That's too high for me to see. Oh, that's a street lamp, I think. Or is it? I think it is. Well, you can see the lights. Look, it's very bright. The sky is bright. If you look very close. So, there are some fireworks now. Those are screaming kitchen wives. Or girls. They named it, I didn't. Well, see my doggy? My doggy's waiting for me. She doesn't like fireworks, so I'm going to go inside now. The other ones are playing on the couch. And there's another one laying in her basket on the radiator. Yes, the radiator. So you can see her tail is down. The other one's barking. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this little show off at 9 p.m. in Holland fireworks. Thank you for watching.